Most people treat a cold after it hits, but this tea stops it before it starts. Elderflower tea, rare, seasonal, and only harvested a few weeks each year. Last winter, I kept getting colds, runny nose, sore throat, zero energy. An herbalist friend said, try 1 cup of elderflower tea at night. Within days, clearer sinuses, less congestion, faster recovery. Elderflower helps the body fight cold viruses, reduces mucus, and supports immunity. Here's the secret. It works best before your cold gets serious. Save this before winter hits. Follow for real herbal remedies.